Hello YouTube, how are you doing? My rear brake light switch failed again, and the little trick doesn't work. So I got my little fuse checker here under the dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the fuse is good. The other check is the switch itself, which is right there. This here. Now the wires, this was done by the police. When I undid this, you can tell I undid it. The wires were correct. Hold on, let me get a better light. What you can do is to check. Just untake it, take it off. Check for any burnt. In my case, all the connections look good. Put it back. Here to clip. Make sure the switch is on correctly. In my case, it is. As you can tell, I got out my fuses just in case, but my fuses are good. And the last thing you check, well, you also check underneath the hood. But in my case, the fuses there were correct. So the last thing you need to check is the actual light itself. Now in my case, to speed it up, I've already undid it. This is the screw you'll need. I used a smaller, thicker one to break torque, and then just use a smaller one to take out. Make sure I don't lose it. Then you take off the cover, and as you take out the cover, there'll be a clip, and then you use a small flathead screwdriver to pull on the tab very gently. Don't break this off. So you just put it on the top, twist it to pull out, to release the pressure, and then in the next case, right where my finger is and my thumb, I'm doing this one hand, press inside and then pull. Yeah, one-handed. Hold on. There we go. It's out, and this was my case. Burnt bulbs. So off to the store to buy new ones. So hopefully that helps out for you guys. Before taking the task of doing this, you can see how black it is. Both are. Before doing this, always check your fuses. If you don't have a manual, you can look online, i.e. my videos or not. But my car is old, so it's not unexpected that parts are starting to fail. Off to the store I go to buy new ones. Hello YouTube. I'm back. I just got back from the store. I opened it already, and I forgot to bring gloves. One of the last things you want to do is touch a new light bulb with your bare fingers. So we're gonna have to make do. So once again, you pull the two tabs. There you go. Now I'm improvising. Here's one. One is in. Don't want to break it. And there you go. And this is just to compare it to the other one. Yep. Now it's just a matter of putting it back. Okay, hold on. I just realized the sun is in your eyes. Sorry about that, YouTube. I don't got my stand on me. All right, put back the connector. There we go. One is in. Sorry, I'm not using the Linus Tech Tip screwdriver. And the other one is in. Clean up after ourselves. Old light bulb. Now, there is a glass window there, so we're going to pull up. And it's a cop car, and I'm stuck inside. Nice. Hold on, you two. Okay, lights. So we're going to check the lights through there. Scare these people. Who cares? Okay, can't really test here.